Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now we are going to see the process of predicate packet padding for anonymous web browsing against traffic analysis attack. Anonymous communication has become a hot research topic in order to meet the increasing demand for web privacy protections. The existing system, called as dummy packet padding method for anonymization against traffic analysis attack. This method inherits a huge delay and high bandwidth wastage. For these reasons, this method is called as a failure method. To overcome this problem, we are going to use a new method called as predicate packet padding method. It uses a less bandwidth and reduced delay compared to the existing system. The traffic of this process is low comparatively to the existing process. The anonymous communication is a technology conceals the user's IP from the server hosting websites visited by the users. To measure the performance of anonymous web browsing, we regulate a traffic analysis method called as CCC. With this method, we are going to perform the analysis of the existing and the proposed system. Let's take a look of a data flow of process. Here the client make a request to the server. Before the request transfer to the server, it check whether the page is present in a cache or not. If it is present means then it is retrieved from the cache. If it is not present means then the request is transferred to the server. Then the server has their own memory called as predicate memory, which contains the most frequently web pages in it. If it is present in a predicate memory, then the particular page is transferred to the client. If it is not means then request is transferred to the browser. After that, the server gets the pages from the browser and choose one page which is present in a predicate memory. The choosing is made by which one is the most frequently used. That page is chosen first. Then both the predicate page and intended page is covered by using a predicate packet padding method. Then the predicate packet padding and intended page will be encrypted as a single page. After that, the packet transferring is done. Here the packet is split into the page is split into different packets by using a bandwidth limit. Then the process is decrypted in a client side. If the process is an adversary means then the process is not adversary means the intended page will be returned. If it is an adversary, then the predicate page will be returned. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. This is our project. In this, we are going to run the web server Java first. This is the server file. We are going to run it first. Here the button is called as start web server. You have to click this. After clicking this, a message will be shown like this: server started successfully. This server listening a n number of clients at the same time. After that, minimizing it and go to the NetBeans and choose the file intent request.java. This is the client form. First we have to run this. Then right click it and click run file. This is the text field. We are in this text field we are going to enter what are the web page we need from the server. Now I am going to request the page called as java2s.com. I need the page from the web server. Then click the intent search button. After clicking this button, it will be search whether the particular web page is present in our own cache or not. If it is present means then it will be retrieved from the cache. If it is not present means then the message will be shown like this: request transferred. Here the request is transferred to the server. Then click OK button. This is the another form open for receiving the request from the server. After that, go to the server form. Here the request will be gathered. The IP of the client is this 192.168.0.36 and the primary port number is 4433 and the secondary port number is 1690. Here this is the request from the client at the date of this, at the time of this. Okay. After that, clicking the prediction button, the new form will be opened. In this we are going to create a queue called as primary predicate memory. Okay. Here the two files in the predicate memory, one is the Google and another one is the Yahoo. This order is shown in the rank list. The Google is the most used predicate page in server. For that we have to going to choose the Google page and click the process request. While I am clicking this, the server will be got the web pages from the server. After clicking this, the server is successfully got it from the web server, and click the padding button. In this we are going to separate the each predicate page and the indent page into different packets. For that we have to enter the bandwidth limit. Okay, now I am going to enter the bandwidth limit as 50. The size of the packet is the size of the page is split into 50 packets. Okay, the each packet contains a 50 kbps. Here the size is a kbps. Okay, then click packet separation. Here the number of packets is 17. Then the approximate packet size is this. This is the packet size. This is the kbps size. For that, this is for the indent page, and after that we are going to doing the same process for the predicate page. Then this is my predicate page. Then click packet separation. The same processes happen to the predicate page also. Here the 17 packets and pair size is this, and here is the 11 packets and the approximate packet size is this. Then we are going to embed these two pages. For that page cover, click the page covering, and new form is open. Here page to be covered, this and this. Then click the button convert. Here we are going to convert the HTML file into text file. For that, embedding the two pages. Then going to convert. Here the two processes taken. Cover means the predicate pages, the indent pages pushed into the predicate page, and the page is converted into a single page. After conversion of single page, then the process will be encrypted successfully. This is the encrypted form of the single page. That means this contains the indent page as well as the predicate page. Then click the transfer button. Here the enc file is the encrypted file which is in a text format. Okay, the bandwidth limit is 50. Then after that, before we are going to sending the packets through the network, we are going to separate this file into this file by the bandwidth. Okay, then click the packets. This is the number of packets for the transferring. Before clicking the send packets, we are going to run the adversary. If adversary is present in the network, then what will be happen? That's why we are going to using this. Then go to the server form and click the send packet. After that, go to the receiver form and click the button receive. Here the processing is going on. Here the data will be received successfully because the key present in the client side is matched with the server, the key sent by the server. If it is not matches, means then the predicate page will be retrieved. This is our Java 2s indent request frame. After that, go to the adversary form and click the network monitoring. Here the key is requested. Here on the client side, I am giving the Java 2s as the key. Here I didn't know anything what the content will be. Then only I am using some content here. Here enter is Yahoo. Okay. Then click OK. Then it will be check with the server. After that, click packet capturing. The page retrieved and ready to decrypt, and click OK. Then the page will be retrieved successfully. Here the page is the Google page because here the page is the Google page because the content which I am transferred is not same. Okay.